shell. It's perfect.
Great job, team! Another successful sample!